Finally, it's time for the maiden flight of HobbyKing EZIO 800. We are at the local park. I just put the battery in and checked the CG. Everything seems to be working well. And I checked the ailerons, elevator. A lot of power, so it shouldn't have any issue taking off. And my son is flying his champ like a champ. Okay, let's get started. Uh-oh, that didn't sound right. I don't know if you heard it, but there was a screaming sound. I hope it's okay. Yeah, it didn't happen when I was checking it at home. Now it's doing okay, but just I should probably not maiden it, but I'm tempted. Not doing it anymore. Kind of strange. That sound. It's brand new battery, it has been charged. I don't know what's going on. Is it the bad ESC? I'm not sure. I think it's the ESC, right? I mean, the controls are still working. Yeah, it's... Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Alright, I think I'm going to listen to my gut feeling and then not fly this today, not maiden it, until I figure out what's going on. I don't want the motor to cut off mid-air while I'm climbing close to the ground. And there are people around in the park, so although this is a small thing, I just don't want to take the chance. In order to eliminate the possibility of a battery-related issue, maybe the capacitor-related, instead of using this 300 milliamp hour battery I bought for the EZIO, I connected it to the 800 milliamp hour 2-cell battery. This is also 2-cell, and I just tested it, and it's doing the same thing. Let me demonstrate carefully here. You can probably hear those grinding noises, so it's not battery related. That was a long squeak, and it was only at 25-30% throttle. So I think we have a bad ESC. Okay, I know, I admit that this looks really strange. Looks like two planes are trying to mate, but it's not. Let me try to explain what I'm trying to do. So I couldn't find any available ESC that will fit my EZIO 800 with those, small connectors. I had that kind of ESC on my E-Flight P40 Warhawk, but it was glued in there, and I didn't pull it off. So I just pulled off the wires, and I'm kind of doing an infusion or transplant. So now EZIO is connected to my Spectrum, and then this is the receiver, and then the receiver is connected to the ESC. The ESC is connected to this battery, and the 3 leads of the ESC is connected to the motor. So I'm basically tapping off this ESC of the Warhawk, and let's see. You can see we have control, and it is working. And now I'm going to do the same thing, the speed test. So let me put my phone on the holder, and hopefully I'll be able to show you what's going on, and hopefully it will work out. If we don't hear that strange noise, then it means that we can 99% say that it was the ESC. No strange noises whatsoever. Very smooth. Full power. It looks like it was a bad ESC, so I'll be reaching out to HobbyKing customer service and see if they're going to stand behind their product. I'll let you know. I just submitted a claim to HobbyKing requesting a new ESC for the EZIO 800 glider, and I included a picture as well as a short clip showing the screeching of the ESC when I applied throttle. So hopefully they will respond quickly, because I have been really looking forward to flying this little electric glider. I reached out to HobbyKing customer service on June 6th and explained the issue with the ESC. 2 days later, within 48 hours, they responded. So I give credit to HobbyKing for doing that. Thank you. So this is what it says. I'm sorry to hear about this. Did you calibrate the ESC? So they're asking me to calibrate the ESC. I don't believe it's a calibration issue, but I'm going to go ahead and try it anyway. So to do that, here are the steps. It says remove props from plane aircraft. I'm not going to do that because I know the propeller is not going to be engaged. So, and then it's not necessary for EDFs, and I don't think it's necessary for this one either. Turn on your transmitter. It is set to EZIO 800. Put the throttle stick to maximum, so it's at maximum right now. Connect the LiPo battery to the ESC. So I'm going to connect the LiPo battery to the ESC. Just in case, I'm going to keep my hands clear, and then hold everything in case so it's supposed to make 2 beeps, and then pull the transmitter throttle stick down to its minimum position. The motors should then emit a long tone. Okay, that was it, long tone, indicating that the minimum throttle has been captured and the calibration is complete. Okay, I'm going to now unplug the battery just in case, and then restart everything and see if it's going to help. So turn the transmitter on, plug the battery. Okay. Let's see. Moment of truth. No, it's still doing it. Not always, but intermittently it's doing it. It's skipping from time to time. It's not doing it as bad, but it's still doing it. It's a bad ESC. Here we go. You have seen it, so it's nothing to do with the calibration. So I'll be writing back to them and saying, well, I did the calibration, it didn't work. Please send me the ESC. I mean, it's only a couple bucks, right? Just send it. So I got back to them and said, hey, this is still faulty. Please send me an ESC. So I received an automated email saying that they are going to authorize the return. and I didn't know what was going on. And a couple days later, I received an email. Okay, here is your store credit. The replacement item is out of stock, so we give you $8.39. This is unacceptable. They didn't confirm with me if I was willing to do that. They should have sent probably the whole airplane, the whole glider to me if they cannot send just the ESC. What am I going to do with that $8? I won't be able to find the replacement for it. And I responded back saying that I'm not happy with this resolution, and radio silence. I haven't heard back from them. I used to love HobbyKing, but not so much anymore. I'm thinking that I should find another supplier for my batteries and hobby parts, because if they do not stand behind their own product, I'm not going to buy from them. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and I will get back to you on those. Please stay tuned for more videos. Take care. Bye-bye.